Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your videos with this dark aesthetic color mode on CapCut. So what you need to do is just import your clip to CapCut and then go to adjust. Here, follow this setting. So for the brightness, you need to lower it to -30. The contrast, increase it to 10. Then lower the saturation to -10, then exposure -15, and increase the sharpness into 100. For the highlight, lower it to -29 and shadow 8. This is the last step and you are done. So I'm going to show you the before and after. So this is the before and here is the after. You can see the difference. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.